Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do Fenty Foundation, Fenty Concealer, Fenty Gloss, and I'm gonna be reviewing these new LASH COUTURE Naked Drama collection. They look like this. Yeah, so they look like this. So let's get on with the video. First, I'm gonna put some serum on. So, what are you guys up to? How is you guys' day going? Oh, I just put on way too much. What is popping? What is crack-a-lacking in you guys' life? I am in the midst of getting it together. I know there's probably a lot of people out there asking for a reset this year. Honey, we ain't got no time for no reset. You better reset tomorrow. I'm trying to get back on track and trying to start using my planner, write down what I need to do and actually doing it. And yeah, we'll see how that works out. Fenty Foundation in the color 390. Almost forgot this poreless face primer by ELF. Okay, this feels so smooth. I really like this. Okay, no shade. But this foundation is really orange on me, and I know she released a couple shades like in between, but I didn't like. I went to Sephora and I still didn't find my shade, and the lady said 390 was my shade. Oh, I'ma just work with what I got. I know she came out with like 385, but I still didn't like it, so I'm gonna keep this, and I'm not gonna have this one and another one that I'm just not gonna use that much. So I'm gonna just keep this one. So I did like 6 pumps and it's cool. It feels good. It doesn't feel heavy. I definitely did 2 layers because the first layer is like very thin, and girl, I need to cover up all these Dalmatian spots. So now I'm gonna go in with the concealer in 370. She does have corresponding concealers to go with the foundation, but I wanted to go a little bit lighter, so I got 370. Now, I did try out the concealer before, but I was in a rush, so I didn't really get to indulge in it like I wanted to. So we gonna see. It feels really smooth. It does not feel thick. It likes a perfect consistency and really nice coverage. So there's that. It kind of melted into my skin. Do you peep this? Like, okay. It looks super. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Damn. Skin. Just skin. Oh, I don't know why I'm putting more. Yeah, I need to go back and get a lighter shade. That's what this feels like, just skin. I don't even need to put a second layer. I'm just putting it to see what it's gonna do. And baby, it's doing the damn thing. Okay. Riri did it again. I'm really like trying to press this in and work this in my skin. It looks like I'm blending it out a lot. That's because I am, girl. Can't be out here not blended. I hate when I'm rushing and then I try to do my makeup good and then it looks good, but because I rushed, it looks like, you know, I didn't take my time blending it, and I really like to get in there to the nitty gritty and blend that out, because then it looks seamless. Okay. I'm really satisfied. Like, does that look bomb or what? Super bomb. She's super fly. My nose is snatched. Look at that. Look at that. Snatched. Going back in with my concealer and gonna sharpen that. Let's see what that do. I never really sharpen my contour line, but I want to try with this one because she might have did something. Let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is pretty. I want to set it. Sacha Buttercup. Do you guys have her brushes? Because they look like magic. But the way my bank account set up, one day though. But for right now, we're gonna stick with what I got, and that's Real Techniques. Okay. I'm gonna set that very lightly. Get my nose real quick, very subtly, because girl, I've had some instances where I put too much powder, and then when you like brush it off, it still looks like it's there, and I do not like that. So I learned that I need to set my face with a brush instead of a beauty blender. I'm really starting to like brushes instead of beauty blenders now. What do you guys use? Do y'all use beauty blenders or do y'all use brushes? Because I love me a beauty blender, but I'm starting to like shy away from it and just use it to like blend out my contour and my concealer. Before I used to use it for everything. I guess it's just like for a big, like when you first start doing makeup, you just want to stick to using one thing, and then when you're in a rush too, you just use one thing. It's pretty convenient though. I ain't gonna front about that. Did good. She did good with this. Okay, honey. And I did good by that. To do my contour, my powder contour. Like I said, I like my nose to be snatched. Okay, so we're gonna dip into that contour real good. Very subtle, keep it subtle, as if you do too many strokes, you're gonna get carried away, girl. Bag lady, you gon' hurt your bag. See that? Did too many strokes. We just gonna fix that with the spoolie. Who that? Who that? Ooh, ooh, satisfaction.
These brows look so good.
Do we want to do eyeshadow? What kind of lash glue do you guys use? I use Duo, and I'm just now trying this Kiss lash glue. It's pretty cool actually, like, and I prefer dipping in here and getting the glue out instead of squeezing the tube, because when I squeeze the tube I lose all my freaking glue. So then you paint it on like that, and then you're supposed to like let it dry for like 30 seconds so it can get tacky, and then we're gonna apply them. So far it looks really good, and it feels like, it doesn't feel like I have any foundation on. Like, it really is good. Like, the texture, the consistency is really good, and it's really smooth. It feels like skin. It's just that it looked a bit orange. So yeah, it feels good. It feels like skin. It definitely looks, I know it looks good. Like, it looks flawless as fuck. And this highlight is popping. It was only like $5. So there's that. I'm gonna take some pictures now on flash and insert it so you guys can see. I'm creasing a little bit on my laugh lines, but I always crease there. Other than that, it looks really good. Like, it looks like flat, like flawless, as if I don't have any foundation on. This lash is really bugging me. I was struggling so bad to get this lash on. It always be the corner. It be your own lashes. But whatever. Fussy. So satisfying. Girl. Ooh. Overall, I like everything. How could you not? It's Riri, right? I like the foundation. It's a little bit orange, so we gonna have to work on that. The concealer, loved it. I would go shades down. So this is 370, and I'm normally a 390 in the foundation, but I think I would get like 360 in the concealer, because this was like really natural. So imagine what the 390 was like. Probably looked like your actual skin. But anyways, 370 was a little bit like too of my color. Like, it was like a natural highlight, but I want my highlight to look like it's actually highlighted, like really much lighter. So I would do like 360, or like, I don't know if there's 355, but I would do like somewhere between 350 and 360. And then the gloss, it's just fucking magic. Like, it's so perfect. Like, it's a perfect size. It smells bomb, and it's not sticky, nor is it stretchy. Like, you know when you separate your lips and it kind of stretches with other lip glosses, this one doesn't do that. It's perfect. It's velvety, it's soft, it smells good. Like, what else? How it couldn't be any more perfect. And then the Kiss Drama collection, this is what they look like. They're bomb as well. They're definitely for like a real like glam going out like look. They're not like super natural. This poppin' highlight that you see is LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder. So this is it. Okay, let me do something else. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's bomb. It's on my cheeks right here. I don't do too much highlight. I rarely even do highlight, but for the purpose of this video and this lighting, honey, I wanted to do this so it could look good, and it does. This is cute. Yes, honey, y'all did something with that. I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, tell me what you want to see, subscribe if you want to see more. Yo, definitely invest in some Fenty Beauty, girl, because it's poppin'. Okay, you get the quality for your coins, and it's like not creasing. The only thing that's creasing is my lifelines, but other than that, it looks bomb. It looks flat, it looks natural. Who doesn't want natural looking makeup? Nobody. Okay, so well, yes, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.